Hi guys, my name is Jamie Weiss, and today I'm going to be teaching you about a disease called PANDAS. So PANDAS, aka Pediatric Autoimmune Neuropsychiatric Disorders Associated with Strep, is a neuropsychiatric disorder causing inflammation in the brain. It's a subtype of PANS, another disease that impacts brain function. PANDAS is rare and only found in about 1 of every 200 cases of strep and is most common among children. So, although when you think strep, some symptoms you think are fever, chills, and a cough, but this disease is a little bit different. Most often, patients with PANDAS will develop OCD, tics, anxiety, increased irritability, and even depression. And the strangest part is these changes seem to happen overnight or out of the blue. So, PANDAS has an interesting effect on everyday life, and here's pictured a patient's handwriting at the peak of their illness. And as you can see, there are scribbles, and it's really hard to follow and understand. So, how exactly does PANDAS work? It's hypothesized that PANDAS is a result of host manipulation, which is when parasites evolve behaviors that provide their host to behave in a way that helps the parasites survive and reproduce. So, when you have bacterial invaders, your immune system produces antibodies to attack the invaders. However, with pandas, the invaders are disguised through the molecular mimicry, and they can cause an autoimmune disorder, which is pandas. According to Dr. Susan Sweeto, certain strep infections can trigger pandas that leads to the antibody-led attack on the basal ganglia, which is a part of the brain that controls movement. It's possible that this is due to host manipulation, or it's possible that it's a byproduct of the bacteria's effort to fool the immune system so that it can survive and reproduce. So, of course, getting pandas is super scary, but there are a few treatments that are found to work. So, IVIG, which infuses the immunoglobulin into your bloodstream, antibiotics to help fight the strep infection, SOT therapy, which uses synthetic strands of DNA or RNA to suppress specific genes or proteins, and tonsil removal, where tonsils are in your throat and getting them removed helps address the recurring throat infections. So, to conclude, pandas may stem from host manipulation, and it's currently under loads of research, but it needs much more research. And it ties neuroscience, biology, and psychology all into one to show how they impact behavior and your overall health. Thank you so much for listening, and be sure to follow at Awareness for Pandas on Instagram if you're interested in this and want to learn more.